Hello friends, in this video, I'll show you how to extract information about all the cars from the Copart website into Excel. Open the Copart website, click the Search Inventory button, and then copy the URL from the address bar. After completing this step, open Python idle on your computer, ensuring that Python, Selenium, and Chrome driver are installed, then open Spider, paste the link here, and run the code you wrote. As you can see, the page refreshes and retrieves data by navigating from one page to another. I've created a text document for you. You can download it using the link below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.